Oh hey buddy, today I'm gonna show you how I got my engine sounds. I'm not done with the car yet, but I'm pretty close. I just gotta work out a few kinks. But anyway, I ordered this off of Amazon. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little easy sound module. It got a speaker, and it got the little circuit board and everything. You know what I'm saying? And a little push button. This is what I'm gonna use for my engine sound. And I just got my engine sound off of YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Saw a little video. It was this one. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I'm gonna use that right there. That's lit. So we're gonna use this video. Well, we're gonna use this sound from this video to put on here to go into Monte Carlo. You feel me? So let me show you how I do it. You gotta make sure your volume is all the way up on your device, because it'll record it just as it's coming out. So you turn your volume all the way up. You know what I'm saying? Then you push this button here, this little red button. And you just let it go. You ain't gonna be able to hear what it's recording, but it's recording everything that you got on here. So I'm just wait till this little 14 seconds is up. Or 41 seconds, my bad. And I hit that button. Now let's see what we got. Let me push this button. And this speaker is on some double-sided tape, but it comes off of this paper right here pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? And the circuit board, it comes off pretty easy, so you can put it wherever you want. The only thing is, I had one of these before, and these connections are kind of fragile, so you want to be careful when handling this, because I ended up, you know, soldering them back on, and I did it so many times that, you know, everything got all mixed up and jumbled up and all that, because I'm not the best, you know, electrician or whatever. So whatever. Anyway, you know, get you one of these, do what I just did. You know what I'm saying? You can put some sounds to your vehicle. You know, you can do anything with this. So I give it a thumbs up. I like it. Now I know you might not be doing everything that I'm doing to my car, but you know, if you want to do this, you know, it's real simple, real easy. You saw how I did it. Just got the sound off of YouTube, and I ordered this off of Amazon. I forgot how much it costs. I'm gonna put the price right here. You know what I'm saying? That's how much it costs on Amazon. And yeah, it's a real good product. Does what it say. So there you go.